just to pull it. Clip off the edge. That's it, stand clear, stand by, stand clear.
There we are, thank you.
Everybody okay?
Yeah, fine.
Thank you.
Don't thank me just now. Yeah. We are quite sheltered. So what I'm going to do is climb out quite quickly. So you'll feel a cold wind coming into the basket. It's just air rushing around the side of the balloon. The reason for that is just in case there is a breeze, I don't want to have an altercation with that tree. Okay, so this is where it gets really hot. Football ready? Climb a little bit higher and we'll just see what the winds are doing a little bit higher up off the ground. But just now the surface winds have picked up and it means we're going to fly straight to the hills quite quickly and we don't want to do that. So, yeah. Scary stuff, isn't it? The good thing about this time of night is the wind's dropped, so I would imagine this is just a very, very brief thing. Well, we hope. Out the back here, folks, see away over there in the distance, the little mountain range. That's the Isle of Arran.
That's nearly where we live. Inverkip.
Jeez, oh. And looking up that way, you've got Ben Lomond. And out this way, the lights that are flashing, that's the Queensferry crossing. Okay, so we're just going to drop down a little bit. Big swans in my head. Oh, look, there's a full of Oxbow Lakes, you can see the remains. There's a few on that side as well. And that's the River Medwin that's coming in. This is the Clyde.
This is the Clyde.
So that over there leads to her house. Go down. We've moved a wee bit south and I want to try and get the wind that's going to take us up into that valley because it's actually quite sheltered. But the quiet one, or the liquid one's more quiet, and it's better for the livestock. Doesn't spook them as much.
Are we the livestock?
Sorry?
Are we the livestock?
You're not, you are the livestock. You're talking ballast.
That's for barbecuing the livestock.
Right, can I ask you to go out just now and grab the balloon and pull it so we don't go onto the tree too much? That's cool. Now if you could just go along and give Steph a hand and we're going to pull the balloon.